Hello and welcome to our video on Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2013 as a joke. It was based on the popular Doge internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog. Despite its humble origins, Dogecoin has gained a large and devoted following online. So what is Dogecoin? How does it work? Like other cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is a digital asset that uses cryptography for security and decentralized control. It is based on the same underlying technology as Bitcoin, but with a few key differences. One major difference is the supply of Dogecoin. While Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, Dogecoin has an unlimited supply. This means that there is no theoretical limit to the number of Dogecoins that can be mined. Another difference is the mining process for Dogecoin. Bitcoin mining requires powerful and specialized hardware to solve complex mathematical problems. Dogecoin mining, on the other hand, can be done with any computer and does not require as much processing power. Dogecoin has also become known for its use in online tipping and charitable giving. Many people use Dogecoin to tip content creators on social media platforms or to make small donations to charitable causes. Dogecoin has gained a lot of attention and has even been used in some high-profile transactions. In 2014, Dogecoin was used to raise funds for the Jamaican bobsleigh team to compete in the Winter Olympics. While it may have started as a joke, Dogecoin has become a legitimate and widely used cryptocurrency. So that's a brief overview of what Dogecoin is and how it works. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on crypto and stocks. Thanks for watching.